Welcome back to the kitchen. Today, we'll continue our AI journey with our yummy, tasty jollof rice. We will explore a term that is commonly used in the AI world, hallucination. Before we dive in, let's do a quick recap. Remember, AI is like cooking jollof rice. We combine data, our raw rice, with algorithms, our ingredients, using machine learning, our cooking skills to create a tasty and yummy jollof rice, our AI model. And the satisfaction we get from eating jollof rice represents the different applications of an AI system. I have to admit, when I first started cooking jollof rice, my early attempts were not always successful. Sometimes my jollof rice was undercooked, and other times the texture was a bit off. In the world of AI, we call all these unexpected outcomes hallucination. Hallucination is when an AI system gives wrong, false, and incorrect answers that don't quite make sense. An example of AI hallucination is when a smart AI language model like ChatGPT occasionally generates wrong answers or makes up stuff that isn't true. Yup, that's AI hallucinating right there. Okay, so we've learned that AI can make mistakes, but why? One big reason is the garbage in, garbage out, GIGO effect. This simply means that if you put bad data into your AI model, you will get bad results. The quality of your AI system is only as good as the data you use. Just like when my 4-year-old daughter says something random to Alexa.
Ati pizza and taco.
I've added taco to your shopping list.
So, how do we fix this? To answer this question, let's go back to our jollof rice analogy. I've learned over time that to make the perfect jollof rice, you need to wash your raw rice really well until the water gets clear and the rice is clean. The cleaner the rice, the better the final texture. Similarly, in the AI world, we make sure our data is clean and error-free. When you give your model good, clean data, you get better results. This is what I call the SQL effect. When you put clean data in, you get clean data out. Finally, as you interact and use these AI systems, stay skeptical and always remember that AI systems can make mistakes or hallucinate, even when you ask a valid question. AI systems are still learning and can be fooled by bad data or by questions that they are not trained to answer. To avoid some of these mistakes, always use clean data and be as clear as possible when asking questions. Alright, time to wrap things up here in the kitchen. You know I'm always hungry for your feedback. So, if you've had experiences with AI systems hallucinating, please share them in the comments section. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like, and share this tasty journey with your friends as well. Till I see you next time, happy learning and happy eating.